Hello TikTokers, it's been a couple days since I posted something. This is what I've been working on. Custom made knife. I made it mostly on Tinkercad. Well, pretty much all on Tinkercad. What it looks like. And so this is the result of it. This is the result of it. It was printed with the metallic steel filament by everyone. That's amazing. This is a filament that's got magnetic properties in it. So there's another magnet. Oh, knocking over. So light magnetism, not strong, but still sticks. This is the other thing I'm working on right now. It's a mask for Beta. Beta from The Walking Dead, that is. This is the mask after Elsa dies, so you have it mixed. So I'm printing this right now in a flexible filament that I'm going to actually join with stitching down the sides. And the knife is also because of Opie, same actor. I'm going to go to Comic-Con as an Opie mixed with a Beta. So I'm going to get a trench coat like the one that Beta wears, this guy here. But I'm going to have the sun's patches on it and the Beta and Alpha mask. And that's the point of having this big ass knife. And so that's the mask so far. It's only at like 61%, so it's still got a ways to go. But it's the flexible filament, and it's gonna be cool, so stay tuned.